Carbon nano-onions, or CNOs, are multi-layered spherical particles consisting of several concentric carbon spheres nested within one another. A recent study investigated how graphene in the form of nano-onions improves microstructure and mechanical properties of metal matrix. The AZ31B alloy was used as the matrix, with carbon nano-onion (CNO) powder as the reinforcing element. Holes were drilled in the plate and filled with the onion-like graphene powder. Processing was carried out using a friction stir processing machine. For comparison, a control sample of the alloy without the addition of onion-like graphene was fabricated under the same parameters. The average grain size decreased from 11.6 micrometers after friction stir processing to 6.4 micrometers in the composite with onion-like graphene. The grain refinement mechanisms include continuous and discontinuous dynamic recrystallization. The onion-like graphene particles acted as nucleation sites for grains and hindered the migration of their boundaries. The addition of onion-like graphene helped randomize the grain texture in the metal and reduce its intensity. This leads to an increase in the hardness and ductility of the metal matrix.